Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'll share how to cook green beans tempura. It's a quick, nutritious and delicious way to enjoy your beans. Also it serves as a great starter. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we need. First, let's make a dip for tempura. For that, in a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, give it a mix. I want my dip to be spicy, so I'm adding half a teaspoon of chili flakes. This is optional. If you do not like spice, just skip it. Mix and keep it aside. This is 250 grams of green beans. Take the tender ones, washed, and I cut off both the ends. Let's make batter for tempura. For that, in a bowl, add 1 cup of plain flour. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder. These are organic homemade powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix. Add 1 cup of soda water in parts to the flour mixture. Give it a nice mix. Batter should be in pouring consistency. As soon as the batter is ready, start frying, or else you won't get that crispy texture. Heat up enough oil in a vessel. Keep the flame on medium high. Dip each green bean in the batter. Carefully add the dipped bean one by one into the oil. Do not overcrowd the pan. After 2 minutes, remove the beans from the oil and transfer it to an absorbent kitchen paper. Continue the same with the rest of them. To give this recipe a try, they are so good, crispy and nutritious. You will definitely like it, and also share your feedback in the comment section. If you like this video, consider subscribing, share with your family and friends, and press the bell icon to stay connected. Press on the left to check out my previous video, on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.